Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zoho affiliate program for business software step by step clearly. Visit the Zoho affiliate program website. Click on the Join Now button to start the registration process. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password to protect your account. Provide your business details, such as the name, address, and website URL. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Click on the Submit button to send your application for review. Wait for an email confirmation regarding your application status. Once approved, log in to your affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various tools and resources available for affiliates. Access the affiliate links and banners that you can use for promotion. Select the specific Zoho software products you wish to promote. Copy the unique affiliate link provided for those products. Integrate the affiliate links into your website, blog, or social media platforms. Share engaging content about Zoho products to attract potential customers. Monitor your affiliate dashboard for clicks, conversions, and commission earnings. Stay updated with new product launches and promotional offers from Zoho. Engage with the Zoho affiliate community for tips and strategies to maximize your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.